Hey, George!
Howdy, Rowan. Guess what?
What, George? Come on, tell me! Don't keep me in suspense!
My mom told me I'm going to go visit the dentist for the first time.
That's great! That means you're becoming like a grown-up hippo now that you get to visit the dentist.
Tell me about it, Rowan.
Let me see. Well, the first time I had my tusks and teeth cleaned was a while ago, but it was really cool.
Oh, wow. This sounds great.
Going to the dentist is actually a lot of fun. It's also good for you too. The more you take care of your teeth, the longer you'll have them and the better you'll feel.
How does it feel when they start putting all those tools in your mouth? Is it like a robot being in your mouth full of metal?
Not at all. As long as you can open wide and let the doctors and dental hygienists do their jobs, you'll barely feel anything at all. You'll probably even enjoy it. There's nothing like the feeling of having clean and shiny tusks and teeth. Let me explain what's probably going to happen during your dental visit.
All right, George. Are you ready to go to the dentist?
You betcha. Rowan said it's a lot of fun.
Exactly. You have nothing to be worried about. It's a short ride over. Then we'll go into the office. They're going to give you x-rays. That's where they take really cool pictures of your new teeth that are coming in. They'll give them a cleaning, and then you'll be done and we can eat at McHipple's for lunch.
That sounds great. Wow. It's nice to know all that information.
That's called front-loading. It allows us to know what's coming next. Some people need a lot of front-loading. Other people need less. It just depends on who's receiving it. Next, you'll drive to the dentist's office. You and your mother will probably arrive early so that you aren't rushed when you get there. After checking in, your mom will fill out any paperwork, and then you can just relax until they call you into the back area.
George the Hippo, we're so happy you came in today. Your visit is going to be fun, simple, and won't take long, I promise.
Okay, this is my first time. I'm really excited. What are you going to do? So far, going to the dentist feels great.
I love your enthusiasm, George. First, I'm going to look at your new teeth that are coming in. We do this by taking pictures called x-rays. These will show us the inside of your mouth. As you get older, they will also show areas that you could have something called a cavity, which will grow inside your tooth if you don't brush as well as you should.
How does it feel when you take pictures of my teeth?
All you need to do is open wide as I move the piece of dental film around your mouth. This will also let us know how your new teeth are coming in.
I heard as I get older, my teeth might get crooked.
That happens to a lot of us. If it does, then you go see an orthodontist and get braces.
Braces? What are those? How do those feel?
They are a device that is put in your mouth to help straighten your teeth. Almost everybody gets them, and they don't have to wear them long. After a while, you even forget that they're in your mouth. So open wide and let's take pictures of your beautiful new teeth.
Okay.
Is everything okay?
Yes, I feel a little pressure on my teeth, but other than that, everything is great.
That's so good to hear, because you did a great job and your x-rays are done. Overall, your new teeth look great, George.
Yay! They feel good too.
Now, as you become a big hippo and your teeth get bigger and come in more, keep up on your mouth for plaque buildup.
Plaque buildup? What's that? How does that feel inside my mouth?
Plaque is a sticky film and gets on your teeth when you eat. You actually don't feel it at all. When it's soft, it's easy to remove. The harder it gets, the harder it is to remove. However, I doubt it will be a problem for you. You brush and floss your teeth regularly, so when they come in more, you'll get rid of most of it. Now, even though your teeth are new, we're going to give them a nice cleaning.
Oh boy.
To get rid of plaque, I use a tooth counter. To do this, I gently scrape the plaque off your incoming teeth. You might hear me doing it, but you barely feel it happening. Next, we put polish on your new teeth to get them clean. This polish is like a really strong toothpaste and will keep them clean for a while. Tasty drinks like grape juice can stain your teeth, and polishing them will make them shiny white again. Once the polish is applied, we use an electric dental toothbrush to put the polish on your teeth. Think of this like a really strong toothbrush. It doesn't hurt, but a dentist is able to clean your teeth really well because they can see them differently than you. While I'm doing this, I use a dental water jet. This sprays cool water between your teeth and gets rid of any pieces of food and plaque that didn't get scraped away. While this is happening, there's a saliva ejector in your mouth. This allows you to not swallow old plaque and food as the ejector sucks the saliva out of your mouth. I also use a small dental mirror. This allows me to look at your new teeth and make sure I haven't missed cleaning any parts of them. George the Hippo, do you have any questions?
What do I do if I feel like I need a break?
I'm so glad you asked that. You can always have a break. All you need to do is ask.
But what if you're cleaning my teeth and I can't talk?
All you need to do is raise your left arm. I'll stop and I won't start again until you're ready.
Okay, that sounds good.
And you can wear a sleep mask if you don't want to see me working with any of my dental tools. You can listen to music in your headphones, and you can even play with your fidget toy while I'm working.
Wow, really? That sounds great.
How are you doing, George? Do you need a break?
I feel fine. This is a lot more relaxing than I thought.
Great job, George. Your incoming teeth are really shiny.
Thank you. I'll keep brushing and flossing, but I do like sweets from time to time.
That's fine. I love sweets. Just remember to limit how many you have and brush and floss your teeth a minimum of 2 times a day, especially as you get older and your teeth are bigger.
Oh, I will?
Great job at the dentist, George. You were so brave. You take care of your teeth so your dental visits are really quick and easy. Where are we going now?
McHippos? I feel so hungry. I'm going to get a burger and a fries, but no juice today. I'll just have water.
Good choice.
There we've gone over how your dental visit is most likely going to go. How do you feel about how that experience sounds?
Great. Going to the dentist for my first time is so exciting.
That sounds amazing, George. Now, I have a question for you.
What is it?
Could I join you at McHippos after your dental appointment? I love their cheeseburgers.
Okay, as long as you brush after.